We're excited to be here today with Gisbert at Heidenhain in Fremont, California. And of course, Spinner is a member of this wonderful community here, and wanted to thank you for welcoming us here today.
Thanks for coming, and I know you put a lot of effort in to show the 5-axis capability of your machine, Salim. And one thing we did today, as it is the Apprentice Week of the year, we had an organization here, Machinist Institute, and they brought a lot of schools and local businesses to the facility today. Heidenhain has a space created here for partners like Spinner to bring community of schools, but also manufacturing and job shops together to experience the latest technology for manufacturing. And we had a really good turnout today, and it was a lot of fun to meet a lot of new people and also work with you guys to attract them to new technology where Spinner and Heidenhain work together with the latest 5-axis motion control technology. What was very exciting for many of these people.
Yeah, really a great partnership. Of course, like Gisbert mentioned, we're celebrating Apprenticeship Week. This is important to all of us. It's important to our community. The Machinist Institute is a great partner, but I think today we were able to demonstrate how Spinner is positioned in the market, how it collaborates with everybody in the ecosystem here, including Heidenhain. But we will continue to be part of this community, growing across the country, and I think doing great things together for the machine shops out there, right?
Absolutely, we'll do that. And we work already together here, as we do also in Illinois and in Texas, in your
yeah.
Austin facility. We had some events there recently. So we're going to continue to preach to the market how important it is to get into 5-axis machining with high quality products and high quality motion control systems from Heidenhain.